Okay, so this is the one bedroom. We're about to walk in. I did want you to see the hallway as well. It's got a dark carpet. It looks really well kept. This hallway is, it's got kind of, I don't know what the color is, kind of a little yellowish, brownish, and then it does have lights on there. And then here's this huge plate over your door, so I like that granite plate. Okay, cool, let's walk in. Oh, super nice. Okay, I like the feel. I like how it just feels really open. And let's explore this kitchen. So right when we walked in, we had this kitchen, and the kitchen has really tall brown cabinets, and it's got these really big. I love those really big handles. I'm not a really big guy, but I sure love those really big handles just from my fumbly hands. So it's really really nice. There's a great stove there, microwave, and then because you have this you've got enough for a pantry to put all your cereal, canned goods, and those kind of things. So those are all there. That's great. Then let's see, you've got your refrigerator here, of course, and you really have a lot of space. And this is the one bedroom, so you've got a lot of space there, and then you got more space over here. You've got two, that looks like that could be, that'd be a nice drawer here, and then you could use these for trash, and there's another one on that side. This is a granite countertop over here, and that's really really nice. Ooh, this is kind of different. I like it that it's got kind of a big sink and then a little sink, so that's really really cool. And then look at this cute backsplash. That's a really cool backsplash. I like it. It's different multicoloring, kind of honey, cream, yellow. Kind of reminds me of honeycomb almost. It looks cute. So this is it, and what I like about it is it's you can easily get around. So this would be cool to walk around and have guests, here. And then now this is big. This is really really big. I got to show this off to you. Chase, you should have just mentioned this right off. Okay, I'm just kidding. This is a great desk. So you can home office super easily. You don't need to buy anything. The only thing you need to buy is the chair. Everything else is all set. Good amount of space here. There's even I like it how they put the area, the opening so that you can put the plug through there, and then some shelves built in here so you can put your business stuff if you want. And then I'm thinking this is a closet, so the closet's here. Right? Yeah. Nice. Okay. Cool. Decent sized closet as well. So huge plus. Love that. I'm looking at the floors too, and the floors are they're a nice hardwood. They're not shiny. They're more muted, and they look good. I like them. I think they just go with a lot. So they go with a lot because the walls are kind of beigeish, and then there's a green accent wall that's over here. So let's walk around and check this out. Okay, so my feeling is you said it's A2?
This is an A2D at 786 square feet.
Okay, wow, it feels even bigger than that. So this couch over here, this wall space, there's just an unlimited amount of wall, not unlimited, but you know what I'm saying, just a totally huge amount of wall space over here. So you really have a lot to work with. Since you have that island over there, that does have the bar stools there, and you could have 3, and I think you could easily have 4, frankly, of those bar stools. So you got the 4, but then they do have this table here. You don't have to have this table if you've got the 4 bar stools, so you're all covered there. And then you could have more space to work with here. But even with this, you've got a lot of space. It's just huge. So just a lot of space to work with. And these are these 11 foot? How tall is this?
As far as the ceilings?
Yes.
I believe these are actually 12 foot.
12 feet ceilings. Okay.
The taller ceilings are only available on the first floor.
Got it.
If you're around the pool courtyard or the big courtyard with the fire pit.
Okay. Thank you. That helps. So these beautiful ceilings, I love it because it just feels more open. It feels more majestic. It feels just like a luxury apartment when you've got those kind of ceilings. So that's a big plus.
Ceilings in the kitchen are representative of the ceiling heights if you're in a floor above us.
Got it. This would be 10?
10, I think.
10? Okay. Yeah, 10 feet. And 10 feet is fine too. But it does add a nice touch to have those 12. But 10 will do too. Okay, and just one more thing over here. So you've got You've got a good amount of light in here. That's about, I don't know, maybe about 50% of window space that's window. And then it's got 2 panes, so that provides good light in here. There's also a lot of space over here, so you could use something like this TV buffet, TV stand, and then the TV on it. That makes a lot of logical sense. They even have a chair here, but you could put something else over there if you wanted to. And gosh, this really is a lot of space. I mean, do you see they've got a lamp over here? They've got this is actually a very wide table that's holding that lamp, and then they even have this too. So you've got a lot of space to work with. Is my point. This is a great feel. Okay, let's walk into the bedroom. And in the bedroom, if you see the carpet, it's very neutral carpet, brownish, light brown. And I'm getting the same feeling also in here as far as it says 12-foot ceilings. They're just beautiful. There's a lot of space. Is that a queen or king? That's a king size bed. Okay, so king size bed in here, and there's still a lot of space. This is so much space. King size bed, good size dresser over there, and then even over here a nightstand, and that's not a teeny little nightstand. That's a good medium-sized nightstand. So tons of space. You're not going to be missing anything. This A2 is a great size. This would be a beautiful one-bedroom. I also like it that wow. So you've got in here. This is taking up 75 to 80% of the wall is windows. So you've got a lot of natural light in here, and this does open, so you can get some wind